What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and it's finally arrived. The VIVO X Fold 2 is here in hands. I have unboxed it already. I'll show you that footage just now. I'm not going to make this just a separate, here's me unboxing a phone full stop. What I do want to do is talk about my buying delivery experience, and obviously in the background showing you the phone. So, you may be aware I bought this phone from Wonda Mobile, one of my most trusted and longest using services. Wonda Mobile export phones from China to us in the UK, the US, all over Europe, I think basically everywhere over the world. They seem to be one of the fastest and cheapest places to buy Chinese devices from. Now, over the years, I have purchased numerous devices from Wonda, and I'm aware that you have too. A lot of these purchases have been based on content you've seen on my channel, so thank you for trusting in me enough to buy a device based on my impressions or reviews. And until now, there has been no incentive for me to mention Wonda Mobile, but full honesty here now, I'm excited. This is not a bad thing, this is a very positive thing. I'm excited to announce that I am working with Wonda very loosely. Essentially, I am an affiliate for Wonda Mobile now, which means I have an affiliate link in my descriptions. I'll have that description link in all of my VIVO X Fold and any other Chinese ROM imported devices, phones going forward. Essentially, that link gives me a tiny little kickback on every device that my viewers purchase. So, if you are looking to purchase the VIVO X Fold 2 or anything else from Wonda Mobile, make sure you click on my link first. That would be super helpful. Thank you. Now, what I have asked Wonda for, and I'm looking for a response soon, they are very good at communication. I am looking for a discount code for you. I don't get discount on them, so I'm also looking for a discount code. But I'm looking for a discount code that gets you even 5%, ideally 10%, but 5% off a device, which when you're paying, $1,500 to $1,800 or pounds for a device, 5% goes a long way. But no reply yet. However, Wonda did, in my original email response from them, they did come back with a fact that I guess maybe has been out there, or if it's not, it's something new they're doing. I just want to apologise if you can hear a lawnmower in the background. My neighbour has decided to mow his lawn. How dare he? Yeah, so Wonda Mobile have confirmed that if you purchase any device from their site and pay via bank transfer, so don't use PayPal or credit card, a bank transfer will automatically get you a 3% discount. Again, folks, I know 3% isn't exactly, rocking the boat or life-changing, but if we take the example of a $1,500 phone, 3% is 45 bucks. That's 45 bucks to go buy yourself some dinner or coffees for the week. So it's better than nothing for sure. And I will update you when I have more info on a further discount code. But again, use the link in my description if you're looking to purchase from Wonda Mobile. Now, as far as my delivery update goes, the X Fold 2 was purchased about 10 days ago. However, as you know, it was on pre-order. It started shipping out to suppliers last Friday, and customers shipping from Wonda anyway started on Monday. So I got an email from Wonda with a DHL tracking number on Monday. Today is now Thursday, and I've already received my device. That's within 3 working days from it being in Hong Kong. It's arrived on my doorstep, and yes, I have unboxed it. Now, the unboxing experience, like most foldable phones imported from China, is 10 out of 10, especially when you compare it to, the Samsungs of the world. The box itself it's premium. It's that typical VIVO kind of like leather bound, just really premium feeling box, filled with premium feeling features, including this colour matching case. The case itself is also a fake leather back, so vegan leather back. It does have a clear see-through strip. Again, Vivo's design this year, they have gone for a little different coloured, kind of almost two-tone finish on the back. I wasn't too impressed when I seen videos, particularly in the red colour, with that kind of glossy line down the back of the phone. However, seeing this in the blue colour and feeling it in person, okay, I can get with it. It feels good. Also including the box, you have your manuals and VIP card from from Vivo, sorry. I should say that that's basically redundant when you import a phone from China. The warranty from the manufacturer is effectively dead. However, Wonda do have their own 12-month warranty with all purchases. Also included in the box is this fast 120 watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and because you're purchasing from Wonda and it is a Chinese brick, a Chinese wallwart, they do include a UK adapter so you can take advantage of those high charging speeds. And that's it for the unboxing experience. Now, I don't want to give too much of my first impressions away because that will be a separate video once I've used the phone for, 24 to 48 hours. But for anybody with a VIVO X Fold or an X Fold Plus, the X Fold 2 is thinner, lighter, and looks slightly better, purely because it is just that camera ring on the back. The back rather than the big black square with the ring. When I say it looks better, it's obviously down to a matter of opinion, and also we're not talking leaps and bounds. If you've watched my previous X Fold video, I did say that if you have the X Fold or the X Fold Plus, you should not upgrade unless you've got the means to and you're, rolling in money. That still that still stands, as much as I'd love you all to go out and buy an X Fold 2 and use my affiliate link. If you've got the X Fold or the X Fold Plus, please don't go buy the X Fold 2. It's not a significant enough upgrade. Again, the camera is slightly different. There's no periscope zoom lens, which I can confirm now, having the device in my hand. There is no 5x optical zoom, just the 2x telephoto lens on there. So yeah, don't upgrade. But if you don't have a Chinese foldable device, and I say that specifically to you Samsung owners just now, if you've had the Z Fold 2, 3, or even 4, you should really consider a Chinese foldable, and you don't have to look much further than the VIVO X Fold 2. Thanks very much for watching up to this point. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know what you think of the blue colour. Should I have gone for the red or black? Let me know. If you are looking to buy, leave a comment down below. Let me know which colour you're going for. And if you've got any questions on the X Fold or any of the VIVO X Fold devices, let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. I get back to all comments, suggestions. I've seen people asking for a comparison video. I will also do a comparison video for sure, but full disclaimer, I don't have an X Fold or X Fold Plus anymore. I did sell them to subscribers and viewers. So my comparison will purely be based on my knowledge and experience of the X Fold versus the X Fold 2. And as always, I'll be dropping a full review. The one thing that buying the X Fold 2 has done, and I've been in this predicament many times, is I now have £3,500 to £4,000 worth. In fact, yes, it's actually more. It's like £4,000 worth of mobile phones in my possession, which I definitely don't need. So if you're somehow watching this video and you're not particularly interested in buying X Fold 2, but you are interested in buying a discounted iPhone 14 Pro Max or a discounted Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, 512 gigabytes of storage. Let me know in the comments and we can discuss prices. I don't need 3 phones, 2 of which being Android phones. So let me know if you're interested in purchasing them from me. And until the next video,